Okay, so in today's tutorial, we are going to learn to crochet this match stitch design. Isn't that cool? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this pretty design here. So you can use any size yarn you want. I'm using a medium 4-weight yarn, and I'm using a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any size hook you want. I would recommend, if you're not sure, if you're new to this and you're not sure of the hook to use, I would use the recommended hook that's on the label of the yarn that you are using. Okay, and then you will need one stitch marker. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this. Okay, to start with, this is a multiple of 2. So let's go ahead and chain. For the sample, I'm going to chain 10. So I'm going to start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your finger. Pull the yarn off. Take your working yarn, the long strand. Pull that through the circle here. Make you a loop. Insert your hook in that loop. And then pull to tighten it. And then with the working yarn, you're going to start crocheting a chain. So I'm going to make 10 chains. Yarn over, pull through. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's a multiple of 2. Okay, so for row 1, we are going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's the first chain from the hook. There's your hook, first chain. That's the second chain. So go ahead and make a single crochet. So you insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Okay, so you made your first your first single crochet. And each single crochet row should be an odd number. So like I chained 10, so I should have 9 single crochets. So let's single crochet in each chain all the way across. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 2 single crochets. Insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 3 single crochets. So let's go ahead and continue that all the way across. Okay, the single crochet in our last chain. Like I said, you should always have an odd amount. And how you count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you want, you can have a stitch marker in that one, in that first one if you want. I don't put one there. I'll show you where I put mine. Okay, so that was row 1. Row 2, you're going to chain 1. It means yarn over, pull through. You made a chain. Turn your work. And now you're going to single crochet in each stitch across. In a stitch, as you see these little V's, insert your hook underneath those V's. That's your stitch. Okay? So I'm going to single crochet in the first stitch where I just made my chain 1. So there was a single crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1 single crochet in your last one. Like I said, if you feel like you need a stitch marker there, go ahead. Okay, so that was row 3. So we're going to chain 1 and turn our work again. And it was row 2. So for row 3, we're going to single crochet all the way across again. So we're going to start in our first stitch here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so that was rows 1, 2, and 3. So for row 4, to start this row, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in this third chain right here, we are going to place a stitch marker. See, it's 1, 2, and in this third chain, you're going to place your stitch marker. Put your hook back in the chain and go ahead and chain 1. Now what that's going to be, that represents a double crochet and a chain 1. So turn your work and you have a double crochet and a chain 1. So you're going to skip this next stitch and you're going to double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's a double crochet. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and double crochet in this next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch. In the next stitch, you're going to double crochet again. Yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and chain 1. You're going to skip this next stitch and you're going to make a double crochet in this last stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now that is row 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 double crochets. Okay, so now you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and this is going to be row 5. So here you're going to single crochet in each stitch across and in each chain 1 space. That's why you need your stitch marker in your third chain. Represents the top of your double crochet. Okay, so we're going to start with a single crochet in the first stitch. 1 single crochet in this chain 1 space here. 2 single crochet in your double crochet. Single crochet in your chain 1. And then keep continuing that pattern. Single crochet top of your double crochet. Single crochet in your chain 1. Single crochet at the top of the double crochet, and single crochet in this chain 1 space, and then single crochet in the double crochet space. You can remove your marker or you can just single crochet with the marker in it, which is what I do, and single crochet, and then you can remove your marker. Okay, so you should have the same amount of single crochets here as you do here. And like in this case, I have 5 double crochets. I should always have that same amount as I work up. Okay, so you're going to chain 1 and then you just repeat. That was row 4, that was row 5. So you're just going to repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are your repeat rows. So I'll go ahead and do row 2 real quick. Again, it's single crochet in each stitch all the way across. like I said, this rows 2 through 5 are your repeat. And we just did 5. Now that's started over with our repeat. That was 2. For row 3, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to single crochet all the way across for row 3. Okay, so that was row 3. So for row 4, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, place your stitch marker in the 3rd chain, that was like the top of your double crochet, chain 1, turn your work. Going to skip this next stitch, we're going to double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in your last stitch. That was row 4, chain 1, turn your work. So for row 5, we're going to single crochet in each stitch and in each chain 1 space. So we're going to start off with a single crochet in this first stitch, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the double crochet stitch, single crochet in the chain 1 space. And we're going to repeat this all the way across. There we go. Go ahead and remove the stitch marker. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be the same amount. So that's it, guys. And you just keep repeating rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's basically 3 single crochet rows and then double crochet rows, if that helps you any. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy this and have fun with it. There's so much stuff you can do with this. And thanks for watching. And I will leave a link to the playlist for all my crochet stitches that I have. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.